In the ever-evolving field of veterinary diagnostics, scientists at ICAR's National Institute of High Security Animal Diseases have developed an innovative technology that provides serological diagnosis of avian influenza in chicken. Introducing the Avian Influenza Antibody ELISA Kit. The Avian Influenza Antibody ELISA Kit is an indirect enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, specifically designed for the qualitative detection of antibodies against H1 to H16 avian influenza virus subtypes in chicken serum samples. Avian Influenza Antibody ELISA Kit boasts several unique features that make it an invaluable tool for avian influenza surveillance. First, it is devoid of infectious contents, eliminating potential hazards associated with viruses. Second, it offers high diagnostic sensitivity and specificity, ensuring accurate results. Third, it exhibits no cross-reactivity with related viruses like NDV, enhancing its specificity. Fourth, it is easy to perform and does not require intense training or costly instruments. And finally, it is both time and cost-effective, making it an ideal surveillance tool for implementation at a larger scale. With its remarkable features, the Avian Influenza Antibody ELISA Kit developed by ICAR is set to empower avian health and reduce the fear and threat of avian influenza among poultry farmers.